After recording the cost of sales for the our coffee and sandwich and other things, you may also need to calculate the cost of the membership, because the cost of membership is not going to be free. The members are also going to consume items, and if let's say your model is that in a monthly in a per day membership of $1.5 that they are spending, uh, you may need you will be giving them a coffee and a sandwich every day for maybe free. So it means that the number of members will also be here. We can add it here, number of customers and the members. So the members will be here. Now the members, since they are going to get one of each, so it means their cost of their cost is going to be equally half average of both, right? So you can say what is the average of both. So membership, cost of membership is going to be membership multiply by average of cost of sandwich and cost of coffee. So you can use this factor and then take this down. Oops, yeah, you here yet. So that's the membership. Now you got the cost of the membership. Well, so you can build up the cost of sales by being cost of coffee, cost of sales plus the cost of membership, right? Uh, you may need to have the good Excel skills if you wanna use the faster build the faster models. Usually I'm using the keyboard skills here. Then you have the labor, right? The cost of labor, as we have discussed in our previous model, you may want to copy that structure, the one that we have already created in the past, so that we can build it up here. So in the past, we discussed the cost of labor for the business as standard. This is the standard of serving. You may clarify that. So in the standard of serving, in our previous model, we built around the thing that it was this, right? 100 peoples for, sorry, 100 peoples for preparation, then 40 for service, and then the customers we are going to serve are were in a month were 878. But this is per day, right? So you may have to divide this by 30 that we can get it per day. Now you know that based on this, oh sorry, this is not the members, my mistake. This is the customer. So you are going to have a customers here plus, right, plus the members, because members also need to be served. So you have taken that, then you will be able to understand how many peoples you need in preparation, how many peoples you need in super service. Maybe you don't need supervisor at this point of time, but you maybe need it in the future. Then the cost of salaries for everyone, and then the cost of labor cost. So this is per day labor, this is per month. You got that already. And then what you are going to do is you are going to factor this in for the entire year. Right. So now here you have the number of customers. So by this, you can see that you need from two to three to four peoples, and in preparation also you may need to have a hiring. So this is giving you a plan of hiring already, right? So you can see that now already. And when you say that you need one person for every one person, one supervisor for every two people or every three people, then you may want to increase a supervisor somewhere here, right? So that you have a supervisor as well. So here you now get the manning and hiring peoples. This way you have built up your model so that you can clarify how many people are you needed and when they need it, right? And then you may use this for making for next years as well. Right. So here you will see how many people's, oh, sorry, this is again by 365. So you need to convert that back to the per day, because we have to convert that into, because this is per day of standard. So we need to convert it back into per day. So here again, you know that how, when are you going to increase the manning in which year and which month, right? So it will help you to understand, not only explain why you need to have more peoples and when do you need to have more peoples, but also it will help the business to plan what they are going to hire, when they should start the hiring process, right, based on the business levels. And here they already know the cost, how is it increasing from okay, this is again per month, so we need to convert it back into the year. So how to do that? Can increase by 12, multiply by 12, multiply by 12. So you have to see the model every time. You have to recheck the formulas, recheck the assumptions, make sure that they are rightly done. Otherwise, you may run into problems. Your model may be wrong if you are not doing the right thing. Right here, now you can see my labor cost has increased from 11,000 to 18,000 to 21,000 to 26,000, and based on the business volume, how much it should be increasing and why it's increasing, right? So it's easier to explain as well. Now we have to factor in the other operating cost, that we will do in the next video.